Hi you guys, so I have been saying that I was going to tackle my linen closet for quite some time. While we were moving in, I was just trying to get rid of things, get things out the way, because honestly we really don't use downstairs a whole lot unless we're having company. So as you can see, we have different cleaning products, just normal household items. I have my cedar mop there, pressure washer there, and it's just a lot in here. Some of this stuff needs to go in the trash because we'll never use it. And for the other items that I do plan on keeping, I just need to get it organized so that it is looking nice. And when my guests come over, they're actually able to use it and get what they need out of it. So if you want to see how I transform our linen closet, please stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I have the linen closet pretty much empty. I'm going to leave that up there. That is a tea set that my grandmother gave me that I need to take it to get cleaned so that the pretty polish can come back on there. So I just pretty much need to clean the floors of this little grate or whatever it is that is on here. The linen closet is not that big. It's a tiny space, but I am going to be using, I am going to be using these same items that I use in my pantry makeover to kind of get it together. So, so these are the items right here that actually came out of the linen closet. Like I said, I just wanted to go ahead and get everything out. Once I have everything out, then I'm going to sort through and see what is worth keeping, what I need to throw away, and where I need to store or find a new home for some of these items. Like I said, these are just the items that we used and just kind of put away when we were just trying to get moved into the house. So let me go ahead and get started on kind of just organizing and sorting things and figuring out what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to throw away. Alright, so I want to share with you guys the items that I would be using to kind of get things organized and put back in this place where they go. I'm going to be using these little double zipper bags for like face masks or little small other items that I don't want to get lost. I want to keep them together. I'm also going to be using these collapsible storage bins, the same bins that I use in my pantry video. If you have not seen that one, after this one, go and check it out. So I'm going to be using these are just the ones I had left over, and I'm thinking about using this bin right here that I picked up from, I think this was Ross, or either it was either Ross or Burlington. I picked this up. I think I'm going to use this big bin for like my tissue, as well as like paper towels and wet wipes and different things like that. And then I also picked up these containers. Maybe I can use these for like my Lysol sprays and my cleaning sprays. And I also have a set of 4 of these bins right here that can be used as multi-purpose. Some people like to use them in their refrigerator, but hopefully I can use them either in my linen closet or in my laundry room. So enough of me talking. Let's go ahead and get started, because like I said, I just wanted to be functional because it's summertime coming up and we're gonna have guests starting to stay over. And yeah, so if you want to see what I do with these items, stay tuned. So these are the bins that I'm going to be using on the shelves. They fit perfectly, and I think I'm going to be using this one right here for like medicine instead of using like the for like Lysol and different things like that. That way when my guests come over, they feel ill or get sick or whatever, they can pick up whatever medicine I have. But I don't have a lot of medicine because it was old and expired. But these cubes right here, you know, my guests, they can kind of look over and see what's in them. They're easy access to them as well, which I really do like. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting my items in here and just kind of see how I want things to fit. And whatever I don't use that I quote unquote plan to keep and it doesn't fit in here, I'm just going to throw it away. That means I don't need it, because we hardly ever go in this closet unless like we have people here visiting or whatever. So let me go ahead and get started. Like, I'm truly happy these work. Walmart, go ahead and sponsor your girl, because I'm putting these all over my house for organization. So yeah.
You go, girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like a horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time I'm waking up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel set up there and miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have in this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you have in this place on earth, take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby, it's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. you something for what it's worth. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, I'll take you there. Take you there. Please be don't teach me now we can be that. I want you to give to me, yeah. Please be don't teach me now we can be that. I want you to give to me, yeah. We can take it slow. Stay up till the morning. I'm just taking this moment. Now you can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take this road. But I'm not willing to keep up myself for you to take control. Now you've been saying all the words, but I'm still circling in love. Oh, baby, you don't even take the trouble. To keep me there beside you, honey, I don't think you even try. It's okay, cause I don't care if you get over in a while. I don't care if you get real, I don't care if you get older. I don't get why you're so weak. Oh, I'm not the one who will take you back so easily. Oh, I'm not the one who's gonna take you back so easily. You can tell me what you're feeling, why you chose to take.
I'm using this one right here. It's like miscellaneous items that I can't throw away, but really doesn't serve us a purpose every day. But if we need them, the items will be there. Okay. All right, you guys, so this is the final reveal. I am so proud of myself. I feel as though the linen closet is so much more functional for when we have guests over or for whenever my family would need some things. So this is the reveal. Some things are not completely in place, but that's okay. But I'm able to see exactly what I have now. I have a ton of more space in here. I'm able to fit everything in here that I needed. Now I have like paper towels, flushable wipes, and tissues in this basket. I have my old cedar mop and bucket set right here. This right here is for our face mask. We can just kind of grab and go. These, and everything is so easy to pull out and get to. I have my Lysol spray and wipes here. These right here is just cleaning products that I can use as well as my guests. This one right here is just for items that I can't throw away that we actually need. And this basket right here is for like household things such as like picture hangers, different type of tools. The little medicine that we do have, we don't have much, but this is the medicine that we do have right here. My gardening stuff. Right here, I just went ahead and I placed like all of like the owner manuals and things like that that came with our house. I have them there. I have a fresh set of towels and washcloths. I have a wreath hanger. Those are my vases and my tea set. But you guys, I absolutely love the closet. This space is so much better. You guys can remember what it looked like before, and this is what it looks like now. I am so happy with it, you guys. Do not sleep on Walmart and these canvas containers. Like, I love them. They're only $4.98, and yeah, they did the job in my linen closet. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.